which led to the manifestation of unexpected storms and hail. The city that suffered the most from large hail was Hachioji, located in the Tokyo metropolitan area. The hail was accompanied by heavy rain, and in places storm gusts of wind up to 100 km per hour. Local residents even reported thunder and lightning. Large hailstones raised by the crosswind hit everything with a loud crack. Some hailstones were up to 5 centimeters in size, which even broke the windows of houses and cars. Strong gusts of wind broke tree branches and tore off the facades of buildings. Some trees fell on roads or hung on electric poles. Heavy hail that fell after the storm frayed the nerves of car owners. After all, deaths of cars from hail are a normal phenomenon for hailstones of this size. No one was hurt, according to local authorities, but material damage was clearly caused. Small flooding on roads at lowlands was also reported.